Hi, today in this video I'm going to calculate alpha value. I mean how to calculate alpha. So first you need to import the dataset. You can see here I have already imported the dataset. I also labeled all the value and variable labels. Next, what I have done here, you can see I have grouped all the variables under TV. That's mean I want to test alpha of this item. Similarly, I have listed other three groups under the local variable decision, economic, and attitude. So you can see here the total four types of group: DV, decision, economic, attitude. I want to calculate the alpha test. You know what is the alpha test? What does mean by alpha test? Alpha test actually check the reliability or internal inconsistency. So now in the next step, what I have done here, compute Cronbach alphas. First I have written the alpha, then I have written the DV that include a number of item, then comma std. As I am going to export this result in Excel file, I have assigned the R values of the alpha under the alpha under DV. So similarly, I have assigned all three groups. In the following step, I want to create a dataset for output. I will assign all these group variable and want to export this variable on values in XLS form or XLS file. So I have written clear, then set for observation. That's that they are for variables, group variables. So for each group variable, a alpha value will be assigned. So there you can see here there are the necessary variables. I have generated alpha item status. So when I will export in Excel file, you can understand what does mean by this. Then I have replaced this group variable in row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. These are row 1, row 2, row 3, and row 4. Then the alpha value, now alpha value will be replaced in 1, 2, 3, and 4 row. Now we will export status. If the alpha value is more than 90% or equal to 90%, we may say that the reliability level is excellent. If the alpha value is less than 90 or more than 80%, we can say the reliability is good. So thus you can see here other all the status. In step 5, what you can say, you can see here I have listed all 4 group variable, I mean alpha values list, so that I can see at a glance all the values. The last step, I have exported all the alpha values. So now let's check how it does work. So I have kept my windows side by side, and we'll see what is happening. Okay, so now I have defined all the group variables that contain a number of items. Already I have done this. The next step, I will compute Cronbach alpha. You can see here I have calculated alpha values. Then I will create dataset for output. You can see here that I have computed output. So I think I have to run at a time. Just I am taking you to look the items, how actually the result will be exported. Now run all codes together. I will run till this. Now you can browse this. You can see here the values and the items. Now what we need to do, we have to assign what does mean by these values. Then you will understand what's happening with us. Now browse. You can see here that the alpha value of the DV is good, decision is excellent, economy is good, attitude is good. So this alpha value indicate that the internal consistency is good or more than good. So you can say that the reliability of your dataset is excellent, and you can proceed. Now we want to export this dataset. Okay, so nothing is true, we can ignore this, no problem. So let's see what happened. Just wait a bit to open this. Okay, you can see here item, alpha values and status. So you can see here 1, it's next actually not 1. If I do this, you can see here that exact number, it matched with the Stata 877488. So most same, decision 95.947, that's mean on 5. Then economic, you can see here economic 0.84 and it is 0.83. So thus you can calculate the reliability of your items that you want to check internal consistency. So I think this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video.